Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are interested in learning Chinese language or you are already preparing for the HSK level 3, my videos will be perfect for you. So in this video, we are going to take a look at the exercise in lesson 2 under HSK level 3 book. So first of all is read about this sentence. We need to know how to pronounce those words, those keywords at the beginning. So the first is 容易 Let me write down the pinyin over here. This means easy, 容易 easy, 很容易 very easy, 不容易 not easy, 容易写 so easy to write something. For example, 汉字 the Chinese character 汉字容易写 It's easy to write the Chinese characters. 汉字是很容易写的。Okay, then there is a sentence. 上山容易下山难。上山 which means climbing up on a mountain. 下山 means going down. So here said 上山容易下山难. It's a saying that it's easy for you to climb the mountain, but it's hard to get down. Really? Really? It's easy to climb up, but hard to get down. I always find it easier to just walk down from the peak of the mountain. That's quite hard to go up, right? Let's take a look at the second one. 楼 means building, but it can also mean stair, upstairs, downstairs. So it's called 楼 yeah. 楼上 upstairs, 下楼 is an action which means going downstairs. 上楼 going upstairs is also an action. 上楼吃饭 which means go upstairs and eat and have the meal. 吃饭 sentence. 我上楼去给你拿把伞。我上楼去给你拿把伞。I will go upstairs and take an umbrella for you. 瘦 瘦 The pinyin is 瘦 This means thin, slim, but slim in kind of not a positive way, so too thin. 很瘦不瘦有点瘦 a little bit thin. 你一点也没瘦 Here, this sentence is you are not getting a little bit slim at all. You are not getting slim at all. Kind of like I told to my best friend that, oh, these days I've been working out so hard. I have done a lot of sport. I went to gym every day. And then my best friend just said, really, 你一点也没瘦 You didn't use any pound of your weight. You didn't lose any weight. You didn't change the body at all. 你一点也没瘦 Alright, number 4, 疼 hurt 疼 which means hurt. You feel hurt, feel painful. 特疼 The pinyin is 特疼很疼 very painful. 不疼腿疼腿疼 means the legs feel painful. 我现在腿也疼脚也疼腿也疼脚也疼 Why we use two 也 here, which means these two are happening at the same time. And I want to emphasize that I want to emphasize these two situations are going on at the same time. So I add a yet here. We can of course say as 我现在腿疼，脚也疼. That is totally fine. But if we add one more yet in each object, which means that I'm going to emphasize that they are happening at the same time. I just want to emphasize this at the same time. Yeah. 拿, which means take something, 拿, 拿. 拿钱 take money, 拿伞 take the umbrella, 拿书 take the books. 我拿了伞就下来. Yeah, so after I take the umbrella, I will go downstairs. 我拿了伞就下来. Alright, so now let's take a look at the exercise number 2. First of all, in order to choose the proper words, we should know what's the meaning of each word, right? First is low. It can be saying a building, or it can also represent to stairs, or maybe with 上 and 下, it could be an action. 办公室is office. 树 is tree. 胖 is fat. 难 is difficult. 难 Number 1. 这是你的吗？真的 So 你的 is your, right? So we are going to take a word not here, so it should be either 楼办公室 or 树 because 胖 is fat is also an adjective. 难 is also an adjective. It could be, is this your tree? 这是你的树吗？真的 That sounds okay. 这是你的办公室吗？真的 Is this your office? It's so big. That sounds quite good, right? Or 这是你的楼吗？真的 So those three all sound quite fit at the first questions. We are going to take a look at the second question. This is also a very useful trick if you are doing an exam. So first, just fill in the words that you are 100% sure, and then those words left, we can take a look later. We can think about it later. Okay, let's take a look at the second question. 今天的考试 So today's exam, 考试 exam 一点儿也不 difficult. It should be difficult. Either 容易 easy or 难 difficult. So we're going to choose 难 here. Okay, question number 3. 我在505教室上课。我现在要上去。So here we have just learned 上楼 going upstairs. And the person is 上课 is taking the class in classroom 教室 classroom 505 yeah number 505 classroom. So that person should not going to the office. So he should just mean go upstairs. So 上楼 we use 上楼 here. Okay. So here we could not use 树 上树 which means climbing a tree. The person is going to take a class in the classroom. That person is not going to climbing a tree. And then let's take a look at number 4. 你看 So take a look. 你看小狗在下做什么呢 There's a dog under somewhere doing something, right? So under somewhere, either is somewhere, it could be 办公室 小狗在办公室下。So under the office, there's a dog, which doesn't make so much sense. But 小狗在树下。So under the tree, that makes a lot of sense. 树 the tree. Yeah. And then we can already make sure that the number 1 over here is the office. Is it your office? That's so big. 这是你的办公室吗？真大 so big, so large. Alright, so let's take a look at the question number 5 over here. Alright, the last one, so it's easy, but here is 我太冷 should be an adjective here. 我太胖了。不能吃那么多饭。I can't eat so much because I'm too fat. So that's how we do this choose the proper words exercise. We can take a look at the second part of here. First, we need to know each word's meaning. 量 is the measure word of carbs. 量腿把经理其实 so actually 其实 means actually. Where is it? Oh, here. Number 6. 你真爱看书，买了这么多。You really love reading book. You bought so many. And then they said, 我一点儿也不喜欢看书。I don't like reading books. 这是给我弟弟买的。Those books. 这是这。Here, 这 is these are bought for my younger brother. These are those books. So actually, let's read this. It's easy to understand this meaning of this sentence. So it's saying, oh, you really love books, you bought so many of them. And then I answer, actually, I don't like it. I don't like reading books at all. Those are for my brother. So here it's actually, sorry, 其实 其实 Okay, number 7. 我想买这车 measure word 这辆车。了一昂辆这辆车。And then B said 太贵了，你有那么多钱吗？太贵了，你有那么多钱吗？ It's too expensive. 贵 expensive. Do you have so much money? 你有那么多钱吗？那么这么 they all means the level of this adjective. So do you have so much money to buy this car? Okay, number 8. 下雨了 It's raining. It rains. 我没带伞 I didn't bring an umbrella. What should I do? 怎么办 What to do? 怎么办去商店买一 measure word 买一把一把伞把 is the measure word of umbrella. And here, when we read about this, the pronunciation will be focused on the measure word. We all know that this 把 this 把 the end of this 把 is suggestion. So let's go to the shop to buy a new umbrella. So in this sentence, we pronounce it as 去商店买一把吧。去商店买一把吧。Good. Okay, let's take a look at number 9. 昨天走路走得太多了。So yesterday I walked too much. 左边这条有点疼。Something on the left is painful. 有点疼。A little bit painful. 有点 a little bit 疼 painful. So we have 腿 the leg. So my left leg is a little bit painful. 科尾腿。And then B said, 那今天 Oh, sorry. 那你今天也出去了。那 is then. So in this situation, 那 represent to the situation that just mentioned. 那你今天也出去了。In this circumstance, you better not go out today. 别出去。别 which means do not do something. 别出去了。别 and 不要 别 they have the similar meaning 不要 in here it will be a suggestion to someone that do not do something. For example, 别看电视了 do not watch the television anymore. Please don't watch the television. Or another example, 不要看手机了 So please don't check your phone. Please don't check your phone. Why we use "了" here? This is more like a suggestion, more like a I really want you to stop doing this anymore. So stop doing this anymore. This action, I want it to be end. So here, why we add a "了" here? It's with 别 or with 不要 together, it becomes a suggestion. Yeah, to emphasize that you don't want that person to do something. You don't want this action happen anymore. So these two are quite similar. Okay, the last exercise. A said something, and then 我今天想早一点回家。今天 today 想 I want today 早一点 a bit early 一点 a little bit 早一点回家 I want to be back home today a bit earlier 可以吗 Can I Could I And then B said 今天不行今天不行今天有很多工作要做 There are many jobs you need to do today. So, oh, that's the manager. 经理 Number 2. So, yeah. So that's how we do this kind of exercise. And that's so far for today. If you found this video interesting or useful, do not forget to subscribe my channel. We will see in our next video. All right, then have a nice day. See you all.